Many people believe their mind is broken, but the truth is much simpler. Their mind is merely misprogrammed. Negative thinking is not a permanent condition, nor is it an identity. It is a mental habit that has been repeated for so long that it begins to feel like truth. In this video, you will discover 7 uncompromising Stoic laws that can help you dissolve these patterns, reset your emotional responses, and rebuild a mind capable of clarity, resilience, and inner stability. These laws come from the timeless wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca, men who faced war, exile, disease, betrayal, and uncertainty, yet maintained control over their minds. Their teachings are not meant to make you simply think positive. They are designed to help you build unshakable internal discipline. Let us begin. Law 1. You are disturbed not by events themselves, but by the interpretations you attach to them. According to the Stoics, external events are neutral. It is the meaning we attach to them that creates emotional turmoil. When a negative thought arises, it is not the situation that harms you, but the story you instantly construct around it. You must remember that a thought is not a fact, but a perception, and perceptions can be questioned, corrected, and reinterpreted. When you observe your thoughts instead of merging with them, you regain authority over your inner world. Detachment is the beginning of mental freedom. Law 2. The mind has the natural ability to convert every difficulty into inner strength. Marcus Aurelius teaches that obstacles are not interruptions to your growth. They are the very material from which growth is made. Every negative thought reveals an area where your mind needs reinforcement. Anxiety reveals where you need courage. Doubt reveals where you need clarity. Stress reveals where you need discipline. When you treat every mental challenge as an opportunity to develop strength, negativity loses its control over you. What once felt like a threat becomes training for the person you are becoming. Law 3. You always possess the power to choose your next thought, even when you cannot control your first reaction. The Stoics acknowledge that the initial appearance of a thought is involuntary. However, what you choose to do afterward is entirely within your command. Negative thinking becomes destructive when you automatically follow your first emotional impulse and allow it to dominate your mind. There exists a small but powerful space between stimulus and response, and that space is your domain. When you use that space deliberately, you reclaim ownership of your thoughts and break the automatic cycle of negativity. Law 4. What lies outside your control should never be allowed to govern your inner peace. Your mind becomes chaotic when you focus on matters that no amount of effort can change. The actions of other people, their opinions, the past, and the unknown future are all outside your direct influence. When you give these forces power over your emotional state, you voluntarily surrender your peace. The Stoic law is direct and uncompromising. If something is beyond your control, it does not deserve space in your mind. Your energy belongs to your own character, choices, and actions, nothing else. Law 5. Your attention shapes the reality you experience, and whatever you concentrate on becomes the foundation of your emotional life. The mind amplifies whatever it repeatedly focuses on. When you concentrate on fear, resentment, or insecurity, your emotional state reorganizes itself around these themes. When you direct your attention toward clarity, purpose, discipline, and gratitude, your mind adjusts accordingly. Negative thinking is not the result of weakness, but the product of untrained attention. When you decide what deserves your focus and what does not, you actively reprogram the lens through which you experience life. Law 6. You suffer far more from the imagined fears created in your mind than from the challenges that exist in reality. The human mind has a remarkable ability to create suffering that is completely unnecessary. You replay past events that can no longer be altered, and you anticipate future catastrophes that may never occur. The majority of emotional pain arises not from life itself, but from the imagination exaggerating possibilities and inventing threats. When you pause and ask, "Is this happening right now, or only in my mind?" you weaken the illusion and return to clarity. Reality is almost always far gentler than imagination. Law 7. A disciplined mind is the only mind capable of true peace and freedom. The Stoics believed that freedom begins with self-command. If your thoughts wander without direction, your emotions will follow, and your life will be guided by impulse rather than intention. Mental discipline is not about suppressing emotions. It is about training your mind to remain steady, structured, and obedient to reason. A disciplined thinker does not collapse under stress because their inner world is organized. They do not drown in negativity because they have established internal boundaries. Discipline transforms the mind into a reliable ally rather than a source of conflict. Your negative thoughts are not permanent, powerful, or defining. They are simply untrained habits. When you apply these 7 Stoic laws consistently, you begin the process of rewiring your mind. By questioning interpretations, you remove false suffering. By converting difficulty into strength, you reclaim purpose. By choosing your next thought, you gain internal direction. By focusing only on what you control, you protect your peace. By mastering attention, you reshape your emotional landscape. By challenging imagined fears, you return to reality. By cultivating discipline, you achieve genuine inner freedom. You are not collapsing, you are evolving. You are not breaking, you are rebuilding. You are not powerless, you are learning to command the one thing that truly belongs to you, your mind.